Hello everyone, welcome to Tap and Solve. Today I will show you how to transfer money from ADCB Bank to any bank account in the UAE, step by step. Please watch carefully to ensure a safe and secure transfer experience. Support us by subscribing to Tap and Solve so we can keep bringing you more helpful videos like this. Alright, let's begin. Open the ADCB app on your phone. Log into your ADCB account using your password or biometric verification. Once you're on the dashboard, tap on Transfer. To start, we first need to set a beneficiary. Tap on New Beneficiary and select within UAE. You'll see two options. If this is a one-time transfer and you don't personally know the recipient, choose No. If the recipient is someone you know and trust, like a friend or family member, and you may send money again in the future, choose Yes. Tap Proceed, enter the recipient's IBAN number, and click Continue. Review the details carefully, then tap Continue again. Enter the full name of the recipient exactly as it appears on the bank account. Add a nickname for easy reference. Enter the recipient's current address and emirate location in the UAE. Then tap Save Beneficiary. Once you see the confirmation, go back and tap Transfer. Select Existing Beneficiary and choose the recipient by name. Select your account source for the transfer. Enter the amount you want to send. For the transfer fee, 1 dirham, choose who will pay, you or the recipient. Enter the purpose of transfer, tap Continue, then OK. Review all details once again and tap Confirm. Your bank will ask for verification. Enter your password or use biometric verification. Done. Your money has been transferred successfully. If you face any issues, drop a comment below. I will definitely reply. Best of luck.